Roast chapped potatoes with vegan tartare sauce. Prepare the ingredients. Place a kilo of potatoes in a saucepan. Cover with water. Turn on the heat and bring to the boil. When the potatoes boil, remove from the heat. Drain the potatoes. Cut the boiled potatoes. Place the potatoes on a sheet of baking paper. Place the potatoes in a 200-degree oven and bake until crisp. Finely dice half a red onion and place in a bowl. Finely chop a cup of capers and place in the bowl. Finely chop half a cup of small gherkins and place in the bowl. Finely chop a handful of fresh parsley and place in the bowl. Add 1 cup of vegan oil-free mayonnaise and stir well. When the potatoes are golden and crisp, remove from the oven. Place the potatoes in a basket, sprinkle with salt and serve.